Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am making one of my favorite dishes, one of my favorite meals, and that's guacamole toast. Unfortunately, some footage was lost, so I'm not going to be able to show every ingredient in front of me or laid out, but these are those heirloom tomatoes that were oh so good. You'll see me fry these up and prepare the whole thing. So let's jump right into it. All right, and here you have it. These are the heirloom sliced up. I'm going to go ahead and pick out the pieces I want to use and put the rest in a Ziploc bag and get ready and get started on this sandwich, these open face sandwiches. Now, many of you may know that occasionally I dabble with fish, not all fish because I do have a shellfish allergy, but I love salmon. And that's one of the main fish that you guys, or fishes, is it fishes or fish? That you guys will see me eat on this channel or dabble with. Some of you may know I just recently had a baby a year ago, and the Mediterranean diet works for me. So, like I said, most of my diet is vegetarian, but every now and again I will throw some salmon in there, and that's a Mediterranean diet. All right, so these are the pieces I picked. I'm going to go ahead and season these up with some everything bagel. Now, this is my everything bagel from Trader Joe's. I haven't been there in such a long time because the groceries are nonsensical when you have a family. But I also got some from Amazon online, the Amazon store. So I thought I wasn't going to have enough of the Trader Joe's, but it was just enough. So I seasoned these on up, and I'm going to put them in this pan.
Fried tomatoes.
So now I'm gonna spread on my guacamole. I've been saying avocado. My guacamole, I find it much easier. I like the chunks. I like the tomatoes. I like everything that you will find in guacamole on my toast. So it seems like a perfect addition. But this particular guacamole didn't have too many tomatoes. So adding my heirlooms was just right. Just perfect. So here I am just spreading it on my bread. And this is some of my favorite bread. This is sprouted bread. And for those of you that may be watching your sodium intake, this bread has no sodium. None at all. So I absolutely love it, but you have to keep it refrigerated if you decide to try this. I'm also sprinkling a little feta cheese on here because why not? Then, y'all, I am about to add these things. I let them fry a little too long. That's just me. I'm always busy with something else. You know how it goes if you're cooking. You step away for a minute and it's over with. But anyway, they still were good, okay? They still turned out good. This open face sandwich still turned out delicious, all right? I slid these heirlooms on top. Literally slid. Because some of them were sticking. But hey, I'm just being truthful. That's what I have to do. I still got that nice flavor to these, as well as that browning on the edges, crispy edges on the tomatoes. Yum. And this was done. I'm gonna let you go on and get into it, okay? A little closer. Honey, in a blink of an eye, I'm adding my salmon pieces. I really just took a piece of salmon that I had left over and I flaked it up on top of one of my sandwiches. The other one over here, I am going to go ahead and add some Korean spicy mayo. Might sound weird, but also delicious. And this is that sandwich. This is that girl. Go ahead and give this a try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And it is very filling, especially if you're trying to watch your calories as well as watch your sugar intake or your fiber amounts. This checks literally all the boxes. Add a little bit of red hot on there, Frank's, because I put that on everything. And I'm done. I'm going to let the music play y'all on out. Y'all be good. Y'all have a great week. Okay? Bye.